Hi, my name is Kalasharao. For the algebra assignment, I did the part of acknowledgement. So here I am. So the completion of this report would not have been possible without the contribution and assistance from the lecturer and everyone in the group. This project is a result of a group of 6 who are the backbone in completing the report on time. So Dr. Nur Haliza binti Abu Bakar, she's my algebra lecturer. Thank you very much for giving us the chance to understand the concepts of algebra in a short period of time. Okay, and she also helped us with the unlimited examples given in order to let us understand really well. And she also spent her time with us clearing our doubts regarding the assignment. Even we don't know, we just WhatsApp her. She replied us quickly. Thank you, ma'am. So next, I would like to thank each and everyone in the group: Chan Yuzwan, Yakesh, Ruben Raj, Lim Kian An, and Muhammad Haris. So these are my team members. We did it together and we completed it. Thank you. So without their commitment and determination, we wouldn't have completed this assignment lah. Okay. Lastly, I'd like to thank everyone again for helping us throughout the process of this report. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Hello to my fellow friends and my beloved lecturer. Today I'm assigned to do my project in a presentation form. I was given the task minute meeting and references by my group members who are Chan Yuswan, Kaya Sharau, Lim Kian An, and Ruben Raj and Harris. First and foremost, what is minute meeting? Minute meeting means the whole project summed up in a small and short paragraph or in chronological form. As shown in the screen, we showed that where did we conduct the project, how did we conduct the project, and what did we do in order to complete the project. So at first, I'm going to talk about how did we conduct the project, where, I mean, which place, which platform did we use to conduct the project. So the platform that we used was Google Meet and WhatsApp. And on 15th of December from 3 to 5 p.m., what we did. So it is written under the option activities and agenda. So what we did was briefing about task management and how to complete the particular task. So let's say as if I don't know how to do references, so I will ask my friend, maybe Chan, how to do it. So he would guide me through the project. And we also divided the task in order and equally, so it won't be one-sided to a person. So I'm going to list down who and what task they did. Chan was given results and discussion. I was given minutes, meeting, and references. Kailasha, acknowledgement. Lim Kian An was given introduction and problem background. Ruben was given solution and variable. And Harris was given the fila table. There was 2 minutes meeting conducted, and the second was on 19th of December from 3 to 5 p.m. Everyone attended the meeting. It was held on Google Meet. And what we did on that mini meeting was we final checked the project before we uh, send it in autumn, because uh, before sending it to autumn, we actually need to create a presentation slide like what I'm presenting now in order to present to our lecturer to key in our marks. So we actually checked our project neatly and checked every possible mistakes that can be made. So the second agenda was we divided the task for the slide presentation as well. That's all for me meeting.
Hello everyone, my name is Lim Kian An, and today I am going to talk about the introduction for the series. So, what is the series? Series can be defined as a sum or a total of a sequence. As we all know, the sequence is a group or a set of numbers that in order with some rules. Let's take a simple example of the sequence of the odd number. So the number that will include in the sequence will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. So in series, the number will be written in 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 and more. So, but the number in series usually won't be written in that way because it will be too long if the sequence is hundred or thousands of number. So we will add the whole number in a sequence into a new number, into a total. So that will be series. And series have many types of it, which is arithmetic series, geometric series, harmonic series, and more. But in this presentation slide, I will only talk about arithmetic series and geometric series. So for the first one, arithmetic series, as I said before, the series is a sum of a sequence. So the arithmetic series will be a sum of the arithmetic sequence, which is the arithmetic sequence is a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on until the nth term. So the formula given for arithmetic to find the arithmetic series will be an equal to a first term plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, where d cannot equal to 0 because the sequence won't be arithmetic sequence. So for the formula, an is the nth term and a1 is the first term for the sequence and d is the common difference. So the next one is the geometric series. Geometric series also same, the sum of the geometric sequence, where the geometric sequence is ar power of 1, ar power of 2 until the nth term, ar power of n. So the formula given for the geometric series is an equal to ar power n minus 1, where n cannot be negative 1, 0 and 1 because the sequence will not be the geometric sequence. So same, the a is a first term, the r is a common ratio, and the an is the nth term. After understanding the meaning of the series, we will get into the problem background here. First, we have part A, arithmetic series, and a question below. Based on the question, we know that the car rental company will charge 10 ringgit for the first 60 kilometers and the charge rate will increase by 50 cents for every next kilometer. So the question here wants us to find the total cost of rental if the total journey is 199 kilometers. Next, we will get into part B, the geometric series, and here also a question. So from this question, we know that Ali invests his money after his retirement, and the money will keep increase by 50% at the beginning of each year. So from this question, it wants us to find the total money that Ali will have from his investment at the beginning of year 11. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Haris. I'm going to talk about FILA table. FILA is abbreviation for facts, ideas, learning issues, and actions. Facts are the important information from the text. Ideas are the issues and cause of the problem. Learning issues are the way to solve the problems. And action are the steps that we take to solve the problem. For the first question, important information that we get from text for facts is a car rental company in Muar charge a base rate to rent a Toyota car, and base rate will be plus an additional fare based on how many kilometers the rental drive the car. Next, information from the table, we can see first 60 km will be charged 10 ringgit. After 60 km, charge will be increased 50 cent for each next kilometer. The issues for the idea is Toyota car resident have to pay 10 ringgit. Then the price will increase by 50 cent after 60 kilometers. And the difference in payment before and after 60 kilometer is 50 cent. To solve this problem, we need to know how we will figure it out the additional cost of rating a Toyota car per kilometer after the first 60 kilometer, What type of sequence we need to use, why arithmetic series is suitable to solve these problems, what is arithmetic series. Then the resources we need is internet and mathematics books. Next important information for the second question is Ali invests his money via ASB financing. From the tables, we can see his money increased by 150% of the total amount invested every year, and the pattern will keep happen in 11 years. The issues for this question is Ali received 150% commission in first year, and the amount will increase by multiply 150% every year. So we use geometric series to solve this problem. To solve this problem, we need to know how can we know the percentage of commission reversed by Ali in a given year, what type of equation we need to use, why geometric series is suitable to solve this problem, what is geometric series. For this question, we need to use internet and mathematics book. And that's all for me.
A very good morning. My name is Ruben Raj and I am from University Tunusin 1 Malaysia. Today I want to talk about solution variable for part A question 1. So we move on to the question first. A car rental company more charges a base rate to rent a Toyota car plus an additional fee based on how many kilometers the renter drives the car. The chart below represents the total cost to rent the car. How much renter has to pay if the renter drives the car for 199 kilometers? The question asks us how much renter has to pay if the renter drives the car for 199 kilometers. Okay, this is a chart. The chart separated into two, the number of kilometer and cost of car rental. For number of kilometer, they give us 60, 61, 62, 63 kilometer. Cost of car rental, they give us 10 ringgit, 10 ringgit 50 cent, 11 ringgit and 11 ringgit 50 cent. These are the main points we need to know before we move on to the question. Before that, we also need to know about arithmetic formula, which is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. A refers to the first term, whereby d refers to the common difference between the term. N refers to the n term in the sequence. Okay, we move on to the question first. For this question, the first term is 10 because 10 ringgit. The d, the common difference, 10 ringgit 50 cent minus with 10, we get 0.5. And then the n, 199 minus with 59, we get 140. Because 60 minus 1 equals to 59. So 199 minus 59, we got 140. Okay, then we put this all together into the formula. T 140 equals to 10 plus 140 minus 1 bracket multiple by 0.5. Finally, we get 79 ringgit 50 cent for 199 kilometers. This is from me. Thank you so much for listening to me.
Hi everyone, my name is Chan Yushen. I am from University Tun Hussein Malaysia, UTHM. My matrix number is AA200602. For public question 1, the question wants us to find the total money that Ali have at the beginning of year 11. Ali had invested 50,000 ringgit Malaysia to ASB financing at the first year after he retired. From here, we know that A, which is the value of the first term, is 50,000. Then, from the table, we can calculate the R, which is the ratio. We divide the second year investment amount, which is 75,000 ringgit Malaysia, with the first year investment amount, which is 50,000 ringgit Malaysia, and we get 1.5, which is the R. By using the information we have, we can calculate the total money that Ali have at the beginning of year 11 by using the formula Sn equals to A times R power of n minus 1. N is 11 because the question wants us to find the total money at the beginning of year 11. Substitute all the information into the equation, then we will get the answer 2883251.95. This number is the total money that Ali have at the beginning of year 11, which is 2,883,251 ringgit and 95 cents.
Next, I was giving references. These 5 references was given by my teammates that they use these links to finish and complete their tasks. So these all of these links help them very much, and I'm very thankful for them for sending me these links. That's all from me. Thank you.